Hey there, wellness warriors. Tiffany here, bringing you a simple yet powerful tip to boost your gut health. Ever felt like your stomach is waging a war against you? I've been there. Gas, bloating, that uncomfortable feeling. But then I discovered the tiny, mighty fennel seed. Think of it as nature's secret weapon for digestion. Today I'll show you why these little green gems are a game changer for your gut health. Trust me, your tummy will thank you. Fennel seeds are like a yoga instructor for your stomach. Calming, soothing, and oh so effective. Packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties, they take on bloating, gas, and heartburn like pros. So, what makes fennel seeds so magical? They stimulate digestive enzymes, reduce inflammation, and soothe your stomach lining. They even expel gas, making them perfect for those dealing with IBS or gastric reflux. Think of them as your digestive superhero, cape and all. Here's another surprise. Fennel seeds can curb your appetite and support weight management. Snack on them after meals to avoid overeating and keep your digestion happy. Now let's make it practical. Here are 5 super simple ways to use fennel seeds in your daily routine. 1. Chew them raw. Chew a pinch after meals to freshen your breath and support digestion. 2. Fennel water. Soak 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in water overnight. Strain and sip for a refreshing detox. 3. Spice up your dishes. Sprinkle crushed fennel seeds over salads, roasted veggies, or soups for a sweet and aromatic twist. 4. Fennel tea. Boil 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in water for 5 minutes. Strain and enjoy a soothing cup of tea. And 5. Fennel seed powder. Grind fennel seeds into a powder and mix half a teaspoon into yogurt or smoothies. See, adding fennel seeds to your day is as easy as sprinkle, chew, sip, or blend. Your gut will thank you. From battling bloating to helping with weight management, fennel seeds are truly a secret weapon for your health. Start small, try one of these tips today, and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little tummy TLC. See you next time.